Lawmakers have had about a year now to take into account, to really digest a report that finds 119,000 teenagers and young adults in our state have slipped through the cracks. Now, nonprofit groups are calling for big changes.
I can understand why. That's an alarming number, almost 120,000 young people. NBC Connecticut political reporter Mike Savino joins us live from the Capitol. So, Mike, what kinds of changes do they want to see implemented here?
Well, Keisha and Kevin, they have a 22-point plan that they said can help these teenagers and young adults find successful careers, and lawmakers say they do want to help. They also say when they come back here to the Capitol in a month, they're going to have to get creative to find that money.
Believe in the young people. Trust them, what they're saying. They need help.
Nonprofit service providers say now is the time to invest in teenagers and young adults. A report from October 2023 estimates 119,000 people ages 14 to 26 have disengaged with school or work. Some, like Erica Suarez, are able to find help.
If it wasn't out there in your face or someone else telling you about it, it wasn't that easy.
But Suarez says it's hard for teens to find support, and many have given up and fall through the cracks. So local leaders and the United Way have a 22-point plan that they say helps the so-called disconnected youth find success in the classroom or workplace.
Cost of incarceration, in income taxes that we will not as a state earn because they are not engaged in the workforce.
The proposals include better tracking of disconnected youth and overhauling state aid for schools, as well as money for mental and behavioral health programs, housing aid, job training, and prison reintegration programs. Advocates say there are economic benefits, but it also comes with a $407 million price tag.
We've got a lot of other programs in terms of youth and internships and apprenticeship programs and after-school programs.
Lawmakers say they'll need to look at programs that aren't getting results to see if they can be changed or eliminated to free up money for things like summer job programs and job training.
We know from youth directly what they see is working, so I think we do have to look closely at what, can we repurpose?
So I think that's where we have to get a little bit more creative, look at reinventing programs that we have.
Lawmakers also say there could be overlap with other competing demands for state funding. For example, we can expect another push for child care programming, but lawmakers noted that funding for early childhood education programs could get ahead of the need for support programs once some of these youth become teenagers later on in school. From the Capitol, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News.
Mike, this is a tremendous issue. Thank you.